Subscribe to ZTechie and click the bell icon for our latest videos. Hi guys, today I'll show you a method that you can install Android Pie on your Nokia 5. Before I start, I will show you that my device is Nokia 5 and I have already installed Android Pie on my device. Click system, see my uh, Android version is 9, system is updated to Android version 9. See my device name is Nokia 5. See my Android version is Pi, awesome Pi logo. So guys, I will show you a trick that you can install Android Pi on your device. So let's go. First you need to download some zip files that will be in the link in the description below. Then you have to paste the zip files on your root directory or internal storage. Then you have to first extract the first zip file, which is the 1st January of 2019 security patch. First extract it. Now I am extract the file. Extract to, click and choose current path and click OK. That will start extracting. See, the extracting has been already complete. Now go back and click on phone dialer and click phone dial pad icon and start pressing star hash 874 hash star hash. File not found comes because I have already installed the 1st January security patch on my device. If you have Android Oreo, you will get a pop-up notification and you should click the right button and start installing. It will take around 5 minutes. Then again go to your file explorer and extract the second zip file. It will take around 2 minutes to extract, so I will show you where you have to extract. Click extract to and choose current path. I will not extract because it takes 2 minutes. So guys, I will show you the last method to install Android Pie on your Nokia 5. Just click star hash 874 hash star. See, it's again says file not found because I have already installed Android Pie on my device. I hope you guys like this video. It will work 100% on your device. Don't worry. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for our latest videos. So guys, goodbye.